Hi, welcome to Mama Sarah. I'm Poppy, and today we're going to work on a monster truck. Let's see if we can open it.
Okay.
Let me cut it a little bit, and then you can take it out.
Now that's better. I can take all these pieces out now.
All right.
I can break it.
Well, that's pretty hard.
Now let's get all the pieces out first. Let's get these out.
Well, let's see what it says. This shows us what to do. Here are the stickers that can go on after it's finished. But we have to put it together first. Where are these pieces? I think that one's right here, isn't it?
And this is right here.
Okay, let's put them together.
We just need these two, and where's the other?
That one right there.
Yeah, these
Okay, this has to go together first. Can you drive these nails in? You remember how you drove nails before?
Yeah, I do.
All right.
There's the hammer.
Well, you're the guy that's got to build it, so here's the hammer. Put that in there. Wait a minute, let me get it, make sure it's straight. All right. Drive that in. That's it, hit it pretty good. Oh, that one's in there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's very hard in there. No, let's do this
You
one
want to go
first.
that one next? Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, trying to bend. You know how to bump it back?
I don't know how to.
Let's bump it back.
Can you bump it back? I don't know how to bump it back.
All right.
Look, a snowman.
It is a snowman. You built a snowman. All right, Jeremiah. Finish driving these in. Really hit it hard. That's it. Oh, yeah. That was a hard one, wasn't it? Drive this next one in. Oh, yeah, hit it hard. Okay, you got that in. Now, let's see what we do next.
No, that doesn't
That
go
goes-
right there.
Oh, yes, it does. Look at the picture.
Oh, it does go right
And
there.
there's something else that goes here, too.
No, this goes next to it.
Oh, this goes in here. All right, Jeremiah. These go right here. Can you drive these nails in now? You get those right there. Wait a minute. Hold it with this hand. Yeah, that's it. Don't hit this now. All right, got it. Now this next one. Woo, that's good. You got that one faster.
Yeah. I got it in faster. I don't know how to drive it.
Same way you did the other one. Just that's it. All right, you got it. Let's see where this goes.
It goes right there.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
It's gonna go right
This one is a hard
right there. That's one of them. Now we got to put the wheels on. Look at this.
The wheels go with these.
All right, put that wheel in there.
Now, next we need that.
All right. I will hold it if you want to drive it in there.
I'm to drive it.
All right. Wait a minute. Wait. Come straight down with the hammer.
Okay.
With switch hands. Hold it with this hand. Now, yeah. Now there you go. Wait a minute. Let me hold it first. All right. Okay. You got it. Oh, we didn't have the nail in this one yet. We got to make the other one. The one for the front.
Yeah.
All right.
That's funny.
All right. Believe you got it. Now what do we do next?
We do this one now.
Oh, okay.
Do this wheel now.
All right. I think that's a good idea. Let's turn it. We could drive it like that. Oh, the wheel would fall off. Then what do?
We just flip it over and put it on.
All right.
I can do that too. You do it.
All right, I'll get it. I believe it's ready to nail in there. Well, let's see if it works. Ooh, that's good.
I'm going to put the sticker on now. Put the car on it.
All right.
Put the monster check.
Well, let's see which ones go. Oh, that goes right on the wheel.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it's a good one. Does it have any more wheels?
Yeah, it does.
All right.
I'll show you if it does.
Okay, put that one on there.
Our monster truck's bigger than our big truck.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Piper's coming with this.
Well, let's see if you can pull it off real easy from up there.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. We'll have to put that back together.
You have to.
Yeah, we can put that one together.
We have to glue together.
Oh, you got to put that one over here. Let me get real straight. Real straight. Now that looks pretty good. Okay. All right. Let me show you where this one goes. Here, take that. It's going to go right there. Right on there.
That's a door. I have to put the windows on.
That's all right. Okay, now this one, that one goes right here in the front.
No.
Yeah, and this one goes on the side. Yeah. Make sure it's real straight now. Yeah.
I don't know how to do this.
Oh, you did it just fine. Yeah. Okay. Here. Put that one right here.
Good.
Uh-oh. Ooh, that looks good.
Now let's put these ones on the back.
Oh, okay.
Ours monster trucks.
Ooh, that looks good. Well, Jeremiah, I think you have made a monster truck. Is that the first monster truck you ever built?
Yeah. Now all the wheels move.
They do move now. Thank you so much for helping us build this monster truck. I'm Poppi and this is Jeremiah. You have a great day. You have fun building your monster truck.